We head to Schots Home Emporium in Melbourne to check in with absolute legend of our screens and self-proclaimed renovation rookie, Deborah Hutton, and our resident design queen, Natalee Bowen, for some tips and tricks you can use in your own home.
Now, I haven't seen cement sinks before, I have to say, and I look at it like I sort of love it, but I don't know where I would put it.
Yeah, well, look, you and probably a lot of other people. I mean, you know, your cement and concrete is probably more renowned to be more of a traditional, older look. And these sorts of styles, which is, you know, your old farmhouse style, you know, that tradition of going back into when they went out there and they, you know, handmade concrete tubs.
Yeah, which I love.
But we're now seeing this more and more in more sort of industrial homes, and even now sometimes if you're looking at doing a coastal home, even with a wooden bench or a Carrara marble, you know, this sort of beautiful concrete would look absolutely gorgeous in that sort of environment.
It does remind me, though, when I was growing up in Queensland, we had these as wash tubs. I mean, it was in the laundry.
Yeah, of course.
So, I mean, I suppose, you know, that maybe a smaller version for maybe a powder room, you can have a bit of fun with it.
Yeah, definitely. Just something a little bit different, you know, rather than going with the traditional white all the time.
I kind of get it. I love the way you can picture sort of it in its finished environment, where I go, yeah, not too sure.
Yeah, and again, it's all about what else you're going to layer it with and the characteristic that you're trying to encompass within a home.
Yeah.
So again, coastal, industrial, more traditional.
Warehouse.
Yeah, absolutely. You know, these sorts of things are a little bit different, you know, just to add that extra character instead of using the traditional white.
Okay. Options. We like options.
We do, absolutely.